Hey creative mind, so today we're going to making a very simple piece. It's piece that is for baddies only, Gen Z baddies only. Okay, this piece is something you can make so many times in a day and then you can sell them. So we're going to be using this steel pendant, guys. It's just for my baddies alone and it's a trendy necklace. You're going to be needing a pendant, a steel neck pendant, and I'm using fishing line for the sake of this video, but I suggest use your tiger tail because you need something stronger. Okay, guys, you know we cannot make this without our instruments. We have our jump spring. Our jump spring is needed for all necklace. So we have our necklace hook. So we are going to be making only necklace. We are not making earrings. Okay, so right now we're going to be cutting our measurement fish line. You know, guys, I don't measure, I just cut. You know, I just somehow know what is good, you know, the right amount that is good, the length, and I just use, guys, for this video only, I say it again, I'm using fish line, but normally if I want to say, I'm going to use my tiger tail because it's way more stronger. So guys, just look at how I am going to do this particular necklace. Okay, now guys, you're going to fold your fish line to two, and then you're going to choke it inside the jump spring. Okay, you put it inside that particular jump spring. You see how it's inside? I just folded it into two and then I put it inside, and I'm going to take the other end and then I'm going to put it inside that particular loop. Okay, I'm going to put it inside, like just choke it inside and bring it all the way out. Okay, bring it all the way out. Now when you do that, you'll be getting this kind of knot. Okay, it's very simple. Just watch it detailed and you know you're going to get it. See, right now you've tied it. So what we are just going to do, just to secure that knot, we're going to tie it the normal tying. No, one more time. Okay, we're going to just, you know, tie the normal tying. All right, the fish line to two, and just tie it the normal way you tie stuff. Okay, just tie it and that's it. And then with this you have secured this knot. Okay, remember the other videos I didn't teach you like this. We use the small bead, the seed beads, to secure right the end part. Now look at how I'm doing this one, because right now we're dealing with bigger beads. Okay, and this is just a simple necklace you can make and sell for a good amount. All right, so right now after doing that, we're going to be putting our beads just one after the other. We're going to start with putting the small bead. Okay, we're going to just put it. You are not, right now you're not doing any ceremony, you're not doing too much, but you're just putting it to just secure that knot. You know, put a small bead first. All right, so after putting the small bead, we're going to be having the big bead. You see that big glass bead, right? It's heavy. This bead is not light. This particular one is heavy. Okay, so guys, you need to make sure that who you're doing it for, make sure to tell them that, okay, this particular bead is heavy. You can use any bead of your choice. I'm just trying to show you guys this particular design. So right there, we're going to be putting one small one, one big one. That's how we're going to do it till we get to the middle. Okay, till we get to the middle. Well, that's how we're going to put it till we get to the middle. One small, one big, one small, one big. Now this is what it looks like. You see, no serere, and this is what is looking like right now, because we've put one small, one big. I think right now you're going to count the amount of bead you have added. Just use the big one to count it. Okay, I'm counting about 10. I use about 10, and then you're going to take that pendant, you're going to take that fine pendant, and then you're going to slide it in. As simple as that. Remember guys, I said you should use your tiger tail when you are doing, you know, when you want to sell to a client. Okay, except you don't want to sell it expensive. Okay, now you're the same way you did the other side, you're going to do this side. Now you're going to start from the big one, because it was the big one, the big bead, that actually ended this part. We are using the big bead because it's going to secure it more than the small bead. The small bead is going to be going in and out. If you want to do yours like that, fine, but I like to do mine like this. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same thing. The big, the small, the big, the small, the big, the small, just like that till we get to the ending part where we need to tie. We need to secure the knot. Okay, that's how you're going to put it continuously like that, guys. Like I said before, this is a very simple piece. And guys, if you are watching to this point, you've not subscribed, you've not liked, you've not commented, no guys, you are not doing the right thing. So please do that. Okay, please do that. You see how pretty it's looking like already? You see how fine it's looking already? You're going to do the same thing, guys. Now we are done putting it exactly the same. The 10 big bead, exactly the same. Always count the amount of beads you put. Okay, don't just do and say okay fine, it's good. Always count it and make sure you don't make mistake, because if you don't count it, it's going to be a big blunder. All right, so we are going to secure the end. Now we're going to take our jump spring, and the other side of the necklace, the other side of the necklace chain, the necklace hook, sorry guys. So we're going to open our jump string, guys. I've taught you so many times how to open a jump string, all right, and we're going to put that inside of it. Okay, now after putting it, we're going to close it. Guys, that's why I tell you that these tools, there's no bid you want to make that you're not going to use all of these tools. I told you, this equipment, you need them. It's a must. You see those 3 tools, they're a must. So we're going to put the jump spring. You see that jump spring, we're just going to slide it in like that. We'll slide the jump spring in like that, and then we're going to see, as we slide into the jump spring, we're going to add it to that first bead. We're going to just put it on that first bead. After bringing out on the jump spring, we're going to put it on that, because to secure the knot, guys, I've told you how to secure this end part already, so nobody will tell me that they did not understand. Okay, now we put it in, then we make sure we are tight. You need to drag it to make sure it's tight. Okay, now if you see how I'm dragging it down to make sure there are no fish line left, and so that I can tie, so it's going to be tight enough, because you don't want your client seeing space, seeing your fish line or your tiger tail. No, you don't want that. And then after you drag it down, you drag it down, make sure it's tight, then you can now tie. Do the normal tying. See, if you are dragging it, be careful, because your jump spring is going to be opening. Okay, so for me, I like to close it very well and then do the normal tying. Okay, just do the normal tying you do. Tie it the normal way you tie it. All right, so guys, you're going to tie it, and then the next thing you want to do, after we tied like 3 times over here, I tied it like 3 times, and then the next thing we are going to do after putting is that we're going to put it into that big bead. Okay, just to secure it, for it to be tight, you're going to put it inside that big. You see how I'm tying it? You need to tie it strong. Oh guys, don't go and tie it light. I don't want to see space of any fish line space. I don't want to see any space when you guys are doing it. We're going to put those fish line inside the big bead so that we can secure it for it to be stronger. Remember guys, I told you, when you're doing this bead, don't let your client see your fish line or anything, or where you tie it. Do you understand me? This big bead is going to like hide that tying part. Okay, now we're going to tie it here too. We're going to tie it like 3 times, 3 or 4 times. Just try it 3 times. 3 times is fine. Going to tie it 3 times too, just to secure it. Okay, to secure it, because this bead has a big hole, is going to hide it in it. All right, this is what you have to do. If you're still watching to this time, guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, because on our next video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to add chains to this bead. Okay, to any necklace you do, I'm going to show you how you'll be adding chains. That's the next video, the next episode that we're going to have, guys. And so guys, you're just going to cut it like that with blade or anything you feel like cutting. I like to use blade because it's going to cut it, seamlessly. All right, with that, guys, you are done and you have your pretty Gen Z necklace. So guys, see you on the next episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.